And that's why, Mike, cats will never be allowed to go to the park anymore.
How sad.
And now we are with the best invention we have ever seen since our ancestors discovered the fire.
Yeah, the best of the best, ladies and gentlemen. We got right here an invention that, even though it's an everyday item, it became essential.
You're right, Mike. But not only essential, also influences our decisions, and it's one of the main reasons of the poverty in the world. So, what are we talking about?
A fridge! But not any fridge. Let's see what specialists have to say about this.
Here we are, in front of the reason why you will want to go back to the past. Take a look, the fantastic, awesome, most special, brilliant Fridgerator 9000. 2 doors, freezer and fridge, a recyclable handle. You can open it and you can close it. If you turn it around, there's a temperature regulator that regulates temperature. A switch up button in red and white. Quality proof. Fridgerator 9000, your little fridge for your little home.
It has logical and passive tasks, such as keeping your favorite food fresh. But also, we have the greatest innovation in terms of its weight. It's super light, so at time of carrying your Fridgerator 9000, your brother-in-law will not have any injury in his back. And we have more. It has a capacity never seen by anyone in the world of household appliances, like the capacity of cleaning the inside of Fridgerator by itself.
Don't ever be worried about trying to make the unpleasant odors disappear. This machine will do it instead, so you can do whatever you want.
Whatever you want, whatever you like, whatever you say, babe.
It was thought to be prepared to self-divided, so you can carry your mini fridge whenever you want, like a laptop. For example, if you want to drink a beer, you can bring it with you. It's so useful, and because a lot of drinks are better cold. If you like to take long walks in your free time, this item is the best you can have. It's cold. Even if you go to the mountain, you can bring it with you without tiring yourself. It's not so easy.
If you're a huge Indiana Jones fan, this fridge will fit you as well as Cinderella's shoe. Don't tell this to other companies, but the special ability this fridge has is that you can survive an apocalypse if you hide inside of it. Do you remember the famous scene where Harrison Ford survives a nuclear blast hiding inside a random fridge? Well, now you can make your dreams come true and try it by yourself. In fact, you can rearm as much as you want and put it in the veggies store, because who the hell suspects from a Fridgerator 9000?
We have the best to the last part, our dearest viewers. I will show you the never-seen capacity, which all scientists around the world could have never dreamed of since the Big Bang. The teletransportation! Yes, exactly. So forget about all the traffic or even to go upstairs. Teletransport yourself wherever you want, just pressing one button. It is so easy and comfy without any second effect. But oh wait, are you a sport person? Even better. How easy it could be to beat the world record with this beautiful machine?
As you can see, Mike, this is the invention of our time. So, let's get one for us, or we will not have any left at the store.
Not even doubting. I'm already in the car waiting for you. Only an idiot would waste this kind of opportunity.
Now, we are with the best innovation we have ever seen since our ancestors.
They will never expect that importance, and it became essential.
You're right, Mike, but
Another.
only the potential also influences our decisions, and it's So,
Have a look at the fantastic, awesome, most especially brilliant Fridgerator 9000.
claramente. Ahora estoy grabando, que por aquí de risa. ¿Entiendes?
Don't ever you worry about making your pleasant outdoors disappear. This machine
Mírame.
so you can
The capacity of cleaning the
Vale.
don't ever
Fridgerator by itself.
don't ever worry about trying to
We have the best of the last part, our dearest viewers. Come on!
Da igual,
Normal.
pero vas a con
Teletransportation! Yes, exactly! Perfect!
Vale, a ver, otra vez.
un rollo.
Gírala y aguanta el tornillo. In fact, you can bring out as much as you want.
No, espera, que tiene que esperar un poco. Espera.
De la puerta, hombre, bajo.
Para que no se te vea, por si acaso.
Quiero vivir, quiero pintar.
¡Casa, tío! No, hay un error.
Or we not have anyone left in store.
Or we will not have any left of the store.
Not even doubting, I'm already in the car, though.
Did you want it? Cuidado.
Even an idiot who was this kind of opportunity.
Incluso un idiota. Para que yo te mato.